So this back and forth story involving one local Premier League player leaving Arnett Gardens, going to Waterhouse, and a few disagreements and arguments with the spectators later. The player fled Firehouse and is now unofficially back in the jungle training. This entire episode, though, throws the sports commentary focus on spectator behavior at football matches in Jamaica. Personally, I don't have the issues that some people have with spectators in the stands mouthing off at football games. I think it is the right of every paying spectator to make as much noise as them want in the stands. I think it adds color and entertainment to the occasion. I much prefer to watch a football game in a loud and even loutish flavor than watch a game in a quiet and boring surroundings. The fact of the matter is that Jamaicans don't have a culture or tradition like we have in Europe and South and Central America of cheering constantly and passionately for the entire 90 minutes. We do sporadic shouts of approval or disapproval, mostly when a goal is scored or when the referee and the assistants make calls against our team. Sometimes we cuss out opposing players, even our own players, when they're not going with nothing. But as long as it stays in the stands, we don't have no problem with it. Where things can get ugly is when players and or referees start answer or react to the spectators. You can't do that. That is adding fuel to the fire. You cannot do that. Leave the spectators alone. Make them talk.